Hey friends, so I just got a vending machine and I'm kind of stuck on something. I was setting it up, going through some of the programming, looking at the options. I pushed a button. I don't know what I did, but now the lower bottom row of keys on the keypad does not work. So I'm going to include the video on this that way y'all can see. Yes, it's Gensys. Yes, I've heard everybody's opinion on them. It's a 50-50 shot. Either some people hate them, some people don't, some people love them. Whatever. But problem is the E key, 9 key, and 0 key don't work. Just those keys. The rest of them are fine. So, attaching the video, check it out. If somebody can point me in the direction of what the fix is, greatly appreciate it. Thanks.
It's where to go first, and then instructs him.